Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily put water into the dock on your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first off, here we have the dock, and now if we want to open it, we need to pull it right here. As you guys can see, now it opens, and here we have two boxes, right here and right here. Now here we have the water drops indicators, and now here we have the clear water. So let me take it out real quick. And now in the second one we have the dirty water that we need to put in our sink because it's not usable anymore. So now let me show you how you can easily do that. So we're gonna start off by opening it. As you guys can see, here we have it. And now we need to open by this. As you guys can see, now it opened, and here inside I'm gonna pour some water. So let me open it up and let's get it started. As you guys can see here we have the water, and now we can simply fill it like that. If we think it's enough, then we simply stop. Now what we need to do is close it and make sure that it's closed right here. Now we have the clear water here. We need to open the dock again and now put it here. Oh, sorry, wrong side. As you guys can see, now here we have the clear water, and after cleaning, this water will be here in our robot, and after that it will go from our robot right here to the dirty water section. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.